How to fix SteamVR Error 499. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply in the search bar, you can simply search for graphic settings. Open it up. And now you want to go ahead and tap on Add a Desktop App. After that, navigate to where Steam is installed on your computer. And then you want to go ahead and simply tap onto it. Tap on Add. Once Steam appears in the list, you need to go ahead and simply tap on this drop down. Then you can simply tap on ZPU preferences and set it to high performances. Once that's done, close this window. Now open up Steam. Inside your tap on Steam, select settings. Inside settings, simply tap on downloads. Inside your scroll below, then make sure you tap on clear cache beside clear download cache. After that, you want to go ahead and simply head back. Now tap on library. Inside here, find SteamVR in your list of games. Right click onto it, then simply tap on properties. Now make sure enable the Steam overlay while in-game is turned on. That's the third and final fix. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.